Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. You can see the error on the screen. 10.0 is required to run the engine. So why you get this issue? So if you don't have the DirectX version 10.0 or the later, you will get this issue. So first of all, we need to make sure that we have the DirectX later 10.0 version. So you need to press Windows plus R button together or directly go to search bar, type there run, and you will see here. Open that, and on the search there you need to type DX11 and click on OK. And once you click on OK, you will see the your DirectX details as well as the your graphic card details on the Windows. This is my, you can see details of my Windows. So in my case, DirectX version is 12, so I will not face any issue with this video. So also you need to make sure that you have 10 or later than display, and you can see the feature label. Make sure it is newer than 10.0 version. If you don't have the feature label newer than 10.0, it means that you need to update your graphic card driver. You need to purchase the graphic card driver if updating not solve your problem. So we will try the updating the driver first. So device manager, that, and go to display adapter, expand that, right click on the driver and simply update it. Search automatically for drivers. You should be connected to the internet. Click on close, and also you can right click update, browse, and you can choose the latest driver from there. Click on next. You will see the driver is installing, and this process will install the driver. And close this and check if it fixes the issue or not. If it does not fix your issue, so you can go to the manufacturer website and install the latest driver from there. You need to, on the search bar, you need to type an HP driver download. If you are using the HP laptop, if you are using the Lenovo laptop, Lenovo driver download, select that option and click on driver download and software. Similarly, you can do with all the driver you have. And if you have the manufacturer driver, the serial number here, and once you click on submit, you can do the same thing with here. on no, I will install it manually. Download has started here. Now download is done. You can go to the download option here, or you can directly double click it from here. Go to download. You can see this is the exe of graphic card. Double click on that.